The aftershocks of the global financial crisis has thrown up several challenges that need to be debated and studied with a view to strengthening the existing regional deposit insurance system and design. This is why representatives from different parts of Africa converged to share experience. The workshop was therefore an avenue to build the capacity of the representatives of member states.
As part of our capacity building initiatives, this time around we're discussing the philosophy and the objectives and the design of a deposit insurance system. There is need for us to do that, particularly for our member states that are planning to establish explicit deposit insurance systems.
This is to ensure a stable and sound financial system that can stand the global economic trends and unforeseen shocks.
Those that want to expand their mandates will also be getting experiences from other countries, will also be getting skills from other countries as to how they can expand their mandates.
The Nigerian Deposit Insurance Corporation operates an explicit deposit insurance system with a broad mandate of deposit guarantee, supervision, distress resolution and liquidation. Through this process, the NDIC has settled depositors of 48 liquidated deposit money banks, totaling 6.6 billion naira as of June 2012. From Lagos, Abdullah Mohammed, NTA News.